channel. As always, if you're new here, hit the subscribe button down below. And if you're not new, welcome back. So today's video is in collaboration with Beetles Gel Polish. We're going to be testing out the Beetles Gel Polish. And I'm going to show y'all what they sent me. Let's begin. So this is a polish. This is Enjoy Your Nails Beetles Gel Polish. It comes with 6 gel polishes in here. We're going to open it up. Very organized. 6 colors. They also sent me in a separate little package. They sent me the base gel, the top base, and also a matte top gel. So they sent me all 3. I'm going to be trying them out today. It comes with an application guide and it tells you step by step what to do. It also comes with the color sticker thing. I'm going to do one color on my nails and then I'll try out some of the other colors on here so you guys can see what they look like. They also sent me this lamp. It's a 35 watts UV LED lamp with a phone stand, so you know you can put your phone in there while you're getting your nails done. So excited to try this out because I don't have nails. I haven't done my nails in a very long time, but yeah, let's open it up. This is a mini LED lamp. Instruction manual. I'm going to put these clear coffin shaped fake nails. So I'm going to be doing my left hand, you know, because it's easier to do for me. Before I begin, I just want to say don't come at me in the comments because I'm not a professional and I'm just going to try this out, you know, because obviously I don't have my nails done. And it gets expensive to get your nails done, so might as well just give it a try. I'm going to face the camera down and show y'all what I do step by step. I've already applied my nails. Like I said, don't come at me. I'm not a pro. The gel polishes are numbered and this one is number 545. And I've already swatched it, so just so y'all can see. 545. 546. 547. 548. 549. And 550. And 550 is gold glitter. So these are the swatches, the colors that they sent me. I think I'm going to go in with the 547. Let's see how it looks. Like I said, I'm not a pro, so don't come at me. I've already applied my nails. If they're not straight, if they're not even, don't come at me, please. Clip your nails to desired length. I already did that. File and shape and buff the nails. I already did that. Push back the cuticles, trim the cuticles, dust off the nails. I already did all that. So now it says to apply the base coat. This is the base coat. Put it in the LED light for 60 to 90 seconds. So after you apply the base coat, you're going to apply the color gel. I'm going to go in with 547 and I'm going to apply that onto my nails. After you apply that, it says to put them in for another 90 seconds. Now after you do that, it says to apply with the top coat, and I'm going to go with the matte top gel. put another 90 seconds. And that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thank you for sticking around. This is my first time. I've never done this before, so don't come at me. I'm not a professional. But yeah, let's shout out Beetles Gel Polish for sending me all these cute little items. The LED nail lamp, the 6 different colors, 2 top coats, and a base coat. Can't wait to try them on again. Practice makes perfect. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys next time.